Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to multiply multiple columns data into a multiple column data and get the result set in a multiple column. Okay, so how can we do that? What do you mean by multiple column data into multiple column data? Okay, you see here in this example, I have a set of products A to J, and I have a price of these products from the supplier A. Okay, supplier A price, and also I have another supplier called B. He is also giving a quotation for these products, and this price list is also here. Okay, and similarly supplier A gives me a quantity, okay, available quantity. Similarly supplier B also gives me available quantity. So I have two column of prices from supplier A and supplier B, and two columns of quantities available. Okay, now I want to know the product. That means the supplier A's price for a particular product with the for a product for the available quantity. Okay, so total price. Okay, so which way I can calculate this one? Okay, I need to do supplier A's price into quantity available, okay, and supplier for the product A, similarly for the B. Okay, I will do it manually. I will show you. I have a supplier A, which is for the product A. I have price is $1 into quantity available, which is D2. Enter. So the total number of price I need to pay for all the quantities available is $10. Okay, so similarly I need to calculate for each product. Okay, so this is the I just I close this one, then you will know. See, I just close the supplier B. You will know the what is the total number of price available. Okay, for each product and the price. Okay, this is the way we calculate the total price for supplier A for a individual product. Okay, similarly you want to calculate the for a supplier B, how to do that? The same thing I will repeat now. Which is for product A. I am doing it for product A first. Supplier B's product A price into supplier B's quantity. Similarly for supplier B's supplier B's price for product B into quantity available from the supplier B for the product B. Okay, similarly I need to drag and drop this one for all the products. Okay, so this is manual calculation, and if the suppliers is increased and the quantity is also increased, then you will this worksheet is going to be tedious for you to calculate every single price for every single supplier. Okay, but using array formula you can very easily solve this problem. Okay, how to solve this problem? Okay, what is array formula? You are giving a set of numbers or array of numbers into the formula, and it will also return back only the set of values as the result. Okay, so you are putting a set of values inside and getting also a set of values outside. Okay, so for this case I have a price. I consider this one is a 2 column set, and also this is quantity, also a 2-column set, and I need the output as a 2-column also, okay, which is meaningful that I'm going to identify for each supplier. Okay, how to do that? You first go and select the output set. You already know the 10 by 2 is the data set here for supplier prices, and similarly for 10 by 2 I want to multiply corresponding same value of this set and get the product here in the same position. Okay, so how to do this one? Okay, first I need to find out what is my output set and how many output values going to return. Since it is 10 rows and 2 column, quantity also 10 rows and 2 column, obviously it will return 10 rows and 2 column. Okay, you select this 10 rows and 2 column, which is the output set, and go to the first cell which is active now. Go there and you are going to enter a formula here. You are not going to enter in every cell here, only the first cell. This array formula works even you enter in the last cell, but it's better always enter in the first cell. Okay, so that we will always modify, and you will always see whether what is the formula in the first cell. But anyway, whatever cell you click on the set, you will know the formula. Okay, just what I am going to do is I am going to select the set. This is the price set into, and I am going to select the quantity set. I am not selecting the headers, I just leave the headers. I only select the values here. Okay, I select the set 1 into set 2, that's all. Okay, now it is the array formula, so I cannot just simply enter, I must enter with control shift. Okay, so I am entering this one with control shift enter. You see it is calculating for the whole set, and you see in the first column, first cell, you can also see the formula whichever you entered is entered with control and shift, and telling the Excel that it is array formula. Always the array formula is embraced with braces, is enclosed with braces, so you can see the braces here. Okay, every cell which you click here, you can also see the braces and the formula. Okay, you see the same thing what we manually calculated is calculated by the array formula. Once you entered in one place, and it calculates for the whole set. Okay, so this is the way you can reduce your work or simplify your work by using array formula in your worksheets. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you.